Christmas just got better, guys. I'm showing you how I made this simple yet delicious pasta recipe. Like, this pasta is a life changer, okay? Let's get right into it. So, to begin with, we'll pour some oil, not a lot, just a little, and allow it to warm slightly. Then I went in with this chicken that I've already sliced, okay? Because I don't like to stress showing you all those videos. Nobody's wasting anybody's time. So yeah, and next I'm going to add this chopped garlic and chopped onion to the sliced chicken, and I'll add some salt to taste. So next I'm also going to add in some chili pepper. Add as much as you want, okay, just to give us some spicy. Next I added some thyme, and I'm also going to add this basil. Like, you can use any spices of your choice, use any taste enhancers of your choice, okay? And I'm going to stir all these together and just make sure that each chicken is coated with this spice. So on the other side, I'm going to be boiling this water before I add my pasta. So we checked up on our chicken, gave everything some good mix, and I'm going to add a twist, guys. Try to do this, okay? I'm adding butter. Yes, butter to your chicken, guys. This is supposed to be Christmas pasta. Yes, so do this. Please don't do the regular one. You also deserve to eat better. That's why we are suffering, that's why we are struggling. So yeah, so I'm going to cook this chicken until it's ready for like 8 minutes. Yeah, and then I'm taking everything off the fire. And so next thing, I'm going to use the same oil because this has so much flavors from the butter, the chicken, and all that. So we are going to add some chopped onion and another chopped garlic, and stir this together for about 2 minutes. Yes, so it's like translucent, or yeah. So next we check on our water. It was boiling. Make sure your water boils before you add your pasta, okay? This like makes it different. So I just added my pasta without breaking. You can choose to break yours if you want. And we went to check on the onion, like it has fried just as we wanted. So I added this chopped tomatoes, yeah, tomatoes, and stir everything together to like cooked for like 3-4 minutes. Yeah, and then we'll go back and check on our pasta, and I try to flip it over so that the other side also cooks, because my pot is super small. So that's exactly what I did, and I'm going to cover this and allow it to continue cooking. So we came to check on our tomato and it was okay, and I added this tomato sauce. You can add tomato paste if that's what you have, okay, but I was not getting tomato paste. This is just like the paste, just that this is more like watery or something. So I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes, but it wasn't enough, so I added a little more. Yep, so just check like the amount of pasta you are cooking, and make like the amount of sauce that you need, okay? And I stirred everything to combine, and guys, I added green yellow bell pepper as well as mozzarella cheese, but I lost the clip. I don't know, have this ever happened to you? Like, you are trying to film something and you just lost the clip? Like, let me know in the comment section. So this is the cheese. I've already added like 3 before I added this one. The thing pained me. So yeah, that's just by the way. So I added this mozzarella cheese. Like, this is not regular. I already told you from the beginning, like, add cheese, like, this is Christmas pasta. Anyways, I went in and added the chicken that we fried in the beginning, stirred everything. Guys, if you are not like you don't feel like eating this pasta, then I don't know what you want to eat right now. Try and make this pasta for yourself. Just give yourself a treat, okay? Just spoil yourself. Anyways, so our pasta is ready, and I'll go ahead and add it into the sauce or stew or whatever you want to call it, and I'll just stir everything together. Oh my god, this was exactly what I wanted to eat, like and I really enjoyed it. So just mix everything together and make sure that each pasta is coated with the sauce. And guys, at this point, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tell everybody about Dr. Samui's channel. It's just about the simple yet delicious recipes. And the final touch, I added this parsley. If you don't have, you can use spring onion or anything just to give you like a touch of color. So this is the end of our video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.